Ae 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 mo Boti kangana lela mama Awa motema motongite. The song Nakolela Mama Azonga is another of those classics that was done by OK Jazz, and of course that was the Franco Lambulanzo Makiadi. There were other artists as well at that point in time, talking about Vicky Longomba. Of course he was a mainstay vocalist. Then there was of course Don Kanga, there was Celestine and others. The song is Nakolela Mama Azonga. And because I've given the profile of Franco Lambulanzo Makiadi in our previous videos, we want to go straight into translating the song Nakolela Mama Azonga. Motema nanga epaina mama, that my heart is thinking about mama. Motema nanga epaina mama means that his heart is at the place where mama is. And of course in this case, of course mama does not refer to his mother but his love. Mpoye aebi motino langa, because she knows my mannerisms. Lelo namboka ya bokilo nangai baninga. And today I'm actually at the place of my in-laws. So Bokilo is an in-law. Mama Bokilo is mother-in-law and Tata Bokilo is father-in-law. Ekosuka bobele mabe. So here at my in-laws place it will not end well. Ekosuka bobele mabe, it will not end very well. Ozongi sanga motema nanga, please return back my heart. Atana kofinga seka kaka, even if I abuse you, just laugh, just smile, you know. Mabenyoso elongwa nanga baninga, and everything bad that came from my side, anything bad that I've done, and napesibino pardon, I've given you my forgiveness, or I'm asking for forgiveness. Motema nanga epaina mama, my heart is where my mama is. I'm actually thinking about mama. Mpoya ebi motino nanga, because she knows all my mannerisms. Lelo namboka ya bokilo baninga nanga, and today at the place of my in-laws, Ekosuka bobele mabe, it will not end very well. I don't know what threats he was issuing here. Bozongi sanga motema nanga, please return my heart. Atana ko finger seka kaka, even if I abuse you, just laugh, you know, just laugh it off. Mabenyoso tu elongwe epai nanga baninga, and anything bad that I've done, any wrong that I have committed against you, napesibino pardon, I ask you to forgive me. This must have been at the very beginning of OK Jazz. I'm looking at between 56, 57, 58 there. Motema nanga epaina mama, that my heart is with mama, but of course mama in this case means his love, his wife. Mpoya ebi motino nanga, she's the one that knows my mannerisms, my ways. Lelo namboka ya bokilo baninga, today at my in-laws place. Ekosuka bobele mabe, it will not end very, very, very well. Bozongi sanga motema nanga, return my heart. Atana kofinga seka kaka, even if I abuse you, just laugh it off. Mabe nyoso tu elongwe nanga baninga, and anything and everything bad that has come from me, Napesi bino pardon, I have asked for forgiveness. And then of course the song transitions to the next level. I botika ngana lela. So please let me cry. Awa motema mubongite. Here my heart is not very fine. Bozongi sanga mwasinanga, please return my wife. I ngai botika ngana lela mama. You know, let me cry. Awa motema mubongite. Here my heart is not okay. Bozongi sanga mwasinanga, return my wife. If you're watching my channel for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe and notification buttons, leave a comment, share this video, and leave your request as well. I go boti kangana lela. Please let me cry. Awa motema mobongite, my heart is not okay. Bozongi sanga mwasi wanga, please return my wife. Go moti kangana lela mama. Awa motema mobongite, bozongi sanga mwasi nanga. Oh, end of the song. Thank you for watching this video.